Sarathi Geotech and Engineering Services Private Limited is founded by Dr. C.R. Parth Sarthi and Mrs. Anupama Parth Sarthi to provide geotechnical services for both offshore and on-land constructions.
We provide geotechnical service for offshore constructions as well as onshore constructions. So offshore constructions can be the fixed platforms, it can be jack-up rigs, it can be the installation of pipelines, all in the sea. And these structures built in the sea requires a thorough study of the ground conditions, essentially the soil properties. Therefore, the soil testing has to be performed. We provide only consulting services representing oil companies. We supervise the geotechnical investigations performed by several contractors. We provide the project management services, quality controls. We just develop the scope of work. We finally assess the quality of samples. We develop the laboratory testings, what has to be done. And finally, we interpret the results and develop an engineering reports independently for the oil companies, or we support several contractors who are performing the investigations. These are all our offshore services. When it comes to on-land services, the similar geotechnical service, we ourselves perform the boreholes, we take the samples, we perform in-situ testings, we bring the samples to our laboratory, we test the samples and we develop the engineering reports. And these services can be for any of the constructions happening on the ground. It can be a residential building, it can be high-rise building, it can be flyovers, bridges, dams, etc.
CGES has excellent team of competent and committed multidisciplinary professionals with international experience. It has a state-of-the-art laboratory for testing soils, rocks and geosynthetic material.
We are introducing this integrated approach for the design of foundations. Any survey has to have a geophysical survey for offshore or a topographical survey for onshore. Then you have to make an assessment of the geohazards. Once you make an assessment of the geohazards, then you do a geotechnical investigations. So therefore, the results from the geophysical, geohazards and geotechnical has to be integrated together, and then the design of foundation has to happen. So we have been teamed up with a few geophysical companies who provide the geophysical services. We have a team of experts who can assist in the geohazard identifications. We ourselves are competent enough to provide the geotechnical service. Therefore, this integrated approach we are proposing and we are practicing in all the projects we are involving.
Its goal is to exceed the expectations of every client by offering quality in constructions and adhering to timeline.